Now, let's give this Leatherman a proper clean. The ultrasonic waves will remove all the grime.
So here's my Leatherman in a little basket. It's kind of gummed up, so I need to get the joints clean. So to the rescue is an ultrasonic cleaner from a yard sale. I'm gonna put this in here and run it like 10 minutes and see what I think has happened. So this is interesting. It has a built-in timer, so the most it can do is 499 seconds. So I put it on 480, just happened to be what numbers popped up, so we'll give it a try at that. Let's just take a look, see if we see some tiny bubbles or not. Oh yeah, I can see some bubbles there. We'll see what's happening later. So the water is visibly darker, so it's dirtier. And let's try. Oh yeah, see, I can easily, well, if I fumble a little, but the blade is much easier to move. It's back like it should be. So now we're going to run this under regular water without soap. Then we're going to put some oil in joints and we'll be good as new again. Yard sale ultrasonic cleaner.